I found who's been knocking over my shells. I have been blaming Solstice, but I don't think she's the only one. This is the lizard that lives in my tree. Oh, he's eating stuff. I see. The birds have knocked off some papaya onto the ledge. Oh, where's he going? Where are you going, little dude? Can he climb? Oh, he can climb. I did not know that. Wow, we are gonna see how he gets on the feeder. This is awesome. Oh my God, look at him. This is hilarious. I have never seen this in my life. He is on the rope. We're gonna see how. Because I'm always wondering, like, how are these guys getting onto the feeder? And I am about to find out. Look at him go. Oh my God, look at him. He's all proud of himself. Yes, you did it. You did it. That's hilarious. Wow. And his reward? Fresh papaya. Yeah. Good. Oh, here comes the bird to share it with him. Is he alright with that? He seems alright. He's nodding away. Oh, the bird's not alright with it though. Look at his mouth. Is he smiling at me? Are you smiling at me? I've never seen them with their mouth open for no reason. Hello. I'm attached to my charger, or else I would go closer. Hi. Are you looking at me? I think he's looking at me. Are you smiling? A lizard version of a smile? I don't know. He's definitely been watching me for some time. Hi. Alright, I'm going to put the camera down. Let him enjoy some unvideoed time with a papaya. He's definitely earned by doing that rope climbing trick. Yes, you. You're so cute. I should name you something. I think you will be Joey. That's his new name. You are Joey the Basilisk, the Jesus Christ lizard. Henceforth, you shall be called Joey. Does he agree? Nod your head. You gonna nod your head? No. He's gonna eat papaya. Good enough.